Good morning. Got a Mazda 3 in the shop today. I think it's a 2010. It's here for a AC condenser and AC compressor replacement. So we're gonna walk through that today. Let's get started. So just a quick overview. We're gonna have to take apart this entire front end. I'm pretty sure the headlights come off as well as the front bumper. And then this assembly right here comes off as like one piece with the radiator and the condenser. It's a pretty involved job, it looks like. I've never done it before, but I've been under these bumpers before, so I kind of know the setup, where this is just like one giant piece bolted to the front here. Here's a look from underneath the vehicle. You can see the AC compressor is right here. It's easy to get to. The belt is stretched on, which is, I don't like how manufacturers do that, but we have to stretch this one off and then either stretch a new one on or this one back on. Hopefully it doesn't get damaged. But here's a look at the bottom of the radiator area. So that entire piece that the radiator is sitting in comes out. So now we're just gonna continue pulling this front bumper so we get a better view of all of this. In the wheel well here, you got these little Phillips head clips need to be removed from the splash shield, and then the bumper has this little 8mm bolt there, and then everything's done here to the side. Everything else is done from the top. Quick check-in. I think I got this whole thing pretty much disconnected aside from these two bolts here on the side, but I got this wire harness off from it. The only thing I got left is these hoses. I have to drain the coolant still. Oh, and I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with this hood latch. I don't know where that disconnects. Maybe I just disconnect it there and I pull it through or something. But that's it. I'm gonna drain the coolant now, and when it's done, I'll pull those radiator hoses, and I'll pull these two AC lines that go into the condenser, and it should be off. Now can fry this off. reason I removed the airbox earlier was to get to these hoses, and also there's this giant connector that connects to the fan that needs to be disconnected. Well, there it is. Entire front end is taken apart. As you saw, the hood prop was part of that piece, so I stuck this bar right here to prop the hood up. Now I gotta get to work on this and split this apart. The radiator comes out by removing this piece here. You gotta squeeze these 3 tabs in, and then it comes out. It's a little harder than that. I had to pry on it to get it out, but that's how that works. Get this side out. And this should just lift up. Yep. Alright, and looking at that back assembly, I just lifted it out. You can see it just slides in to these tabs on the radiator. So I'm just going to slide it out. I'm going to slide the new one in. Quick check-in. It's starting to look like a car again. I got this whole front end back together. I just got to put the last things back together on the bottom, and the AC compressor is still not here. So I'm just waiting on that to get here, and then I can recharge the AC and bleed the coolant. But the intake's back on, all of these lines and harnesses is clipped back on. Went back together pretty fast once I knew what to do. Anyway, we're just waiting on that AC compressor, and we can continue. I just wrapped this whole job up, got this thing filled up to the max. And right now I got the AC machine hooked up. It's running into vacuum right now. As soon as vacuum's over, we're gonna charge it to these specs right here. And we'll test the vent temps and see how cold they are. So we're using the compressor here to help pull the Freon in. That's why we closed the high side and left the low side open and then pushed to charge. But I'm sure this thing's done charging right now. I can see the pressures and they look good. Alright, so another one done, guys. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah, that's getting nice cold, baby. Let's see those pressures. Let's see if we can see the pressures from here. Yeah, that looks good. Watch, the low will go down. Raise the RPM. High starts to go up. Fans are supposed to kick on. Let's see what we got here at the vents. Ah, alright. It's real cold. This customer's gonna be happy.